I like this one. They have pretty neat stuff here.
You know, go ahead.
Hey Dave, this would be a really nice little cabinet here. I could use the heck out of my cabinet. It's a laundry basket. It's really neat.
Okay.
And it's only $5. I have never had anybody say go say hi to us at IKEA. I like the color of it. Oh look, you can. It has a little thing to. It's actually heavy. Those I have in the over there in the back room. Right, Steve. That would be pretty neat for outside.
it's all the same though. Buffalo chicken.
Ooh, did you see that? What is that? Trees? I'm talking about this. Stu, do you want me to buy you one of these that you can think that you're eating here? This would be good whenever we eat at the McLaren little tray.
Get y'all what y'all want, and then we only do like half of it.
Piece of chocolate. Do you want a candy bar, David? There's a dark one right here. Yeah, we'll just share.